Hello everyone, welcome to one more lecture of English Standard 10. Today we are going to do a new lesson. It's very beautiful and emotional lesson, that is 3.6, the concert. Now concert means a musical program. You might have heard this word many times. That means a musical program happened in the city or somewhere in college or somewhere in auditorium where the musical artists they perform live in front of the audience. So this is called concert. So the lesson is showing a love and bonding between siblings. Sister or brother के बीच का जो प्यार है that is shown in this lesson, and this lesson is a true incident happened. And the names of the characters have been changed, but these two names are constant. These names are not changed, but the names of the characters, like the name of sister, brother, and the auntie is being changed. I don't know why. Might have the family don't have revealed the names of the real family name. That's why they might have changed the name, because they didn't want to reveal the name of the real family person. So they have changed the name and shown in this lesson. So let's start the lesson. Now this lesson is written by Shanta Rao. Now Shanta Rao, born in 1930 and she passed away in 2007, was a notable dancer from India. Notable means very remarkable dancer from India. She was exponent of Bharatanatyam and also studied Kathakali and Kuchipudi. Now exponent means the one who is practicing a lot, the one who is exploring that art form a lot, many times. So that means exponent. She was exponent of Bharatanatyam and also studied Kathakali and Kuchipudi. This is a dance form. Okay. She was recipient of Padma Shri and Sangeet Natak Academy Award and Kalidas Salman for music, dance and drama. She has also received award like Padma Shri and Sangeet Natak Academy Award. Then also she has received Kalidas Salman for music, dance and drama. So this is a true story, but all the names except Pandit Shankar's and Ustad Allah Rakha's have been changed. So except these two names, the names of the character have been changed. So let's start with the lesson. First paragraph of page 138. One morning in a small apartment in Bombay, a girl of about 16 looked up from the newspaper and said excitedly, Pandit Ravi Shankar is playing tomorrow at Shanmukananda Auditorium. So one morning in an apartment in Bombay, a girl of years 16 age, she looked at newspaper. Obviously every morning everyone might have been reading newspaper. So same way she was reading newspaper in the morning, and then she came up with the article where it was saying that Pandit Ravi Shankar is playing tomorrow at Shanmukananda Auditorium. There is an auditorium, Shanmukananda, and there Pandit Ravi Shankar is playing. Now Pandit Ravi Shankar is a famous sitar artist. I hope you have seen sitar, veena, कुछ इस तरह से रहता है, कुछ ऐसा कुछ. No, not like that. Pause कर दो. So sitar is somewhat like this. You might have seen. So Pandit Ravi Shankar is a famous sitar artist, and he is playing live in the Shanmukananda Auditorium, which is there in Mumbai. So she excitedly read this line. Excitedly means very happily she read the line. When you read a newspaper and when you read a good news, how loudly you scream in excitement, in happiness. The same way she read the headline saying that Pandit Ravi Shankar is playing tomorrow at Shanmukananda Auditorium. Then said her mother, pointing to the figure sleeping on the bed. Now her mother, she is saying said her mother, pointing to the figure sleeping on the bed. There might be someone sleeping on the bed, so that's why her mother says to be quiet. When you scream in loudness, then, and if someone is sleeping, then obviously the people around you might tell you be quiet like this. Okay, the same way the mother said to the a girl to be quiet because someone is sleeping on the bed. You will wake him up. You know he needs all the sleep and rest he can get. What mother says next? You will wake him up. You know that the person who is lying on the bed, he needs sleep and rest all day. But the boy on the bed was not asleep. Now who was there on the bed? Who was that figure on the bed? The boy. And he was not asleep. Asleep means a state of sleeping. The boy was not sleeping. He was awake. Okay. Pandit Ravi Shankar, he said. Now boy heard the things which girls said. The headline he heard, and he also said that Pandit Ravi Shankar, he said. Pandit Ravi Shankar, the sitar maestro, he raised himself up on his elbow for 1 second and then fell back. But his eyes were shining. We must not miss the chance, he said. I have always wanted to hear him and see him. Now the boy who was lying on the bed, he heard what the girl said, and then he repeated Pandit Ravi Shankar, and then he said that the sitar maestro means someone who has done a remarkable in the art form, especially in music, someone who has performed at very great extent. That person is known as maestro. For example, A.R. Rahman is also known as maestro because he has represented India to the Oscar level. Okay, so he is also known as maestro. So same way, Pandit Ravi Shankar is also known as maestro because he has done remarkable in this music field. And then after saying that, he raised himself up. The boy was lying down, but he raised little bit of himself. थोड़ा सा वो उठा अपने elbow के support से, and for 1 second, and again he fell back. Fell back मतलब वापस वो लेट गया, सो गया. But his eyes were shining. His eyes were shining with that good news. Okay, his eyes, though he was not able to wake up fully, but his eyes spoke everything. His eyes was very happy and it was shining. Okay, then we must not miss the chance. The boy says that we must not miss the chance. We should go to that auditorium and listen to these people live. Okay, he said, I have always wanted to hear him and see him. The boy's desire, the boy's wish was to see these people performing live in a concert. So he says that I have always dreamt of listening to them live. उसका वो जो लड़का था, उसका जो ड्रीम था कि ये दोनों को वो देखे सुने, तो that was his wish and dream. Okay, next paragraph. Lie down, son, lie down. His mother sprang to his side. Now he tries to wake up. Okay, then his mother sprang मतलब quickly moving to someone. Okay, his mother, he quickly moved towards his bed and he says, lie down, son, lie down. सो जाओ, वापस सो जाओ. He actually raised himself up without help. Now she murmured with a catch in her throat, and her eyes turned to the idols on the corner shelf. The prayers which she uttered endlessly came unbidden to her lips. Now she sprang, she went quickly towards the bed and she says, lie down, son, lie down. And then she murmured in her lips, मुंह में वो अपनी बातें करते रहती है slow, that he actually raised himself up without help. And she says that obviously that boy is not feeling well. He is completely bedridden, bed rest पे है. But after listening to this great news, he woke up with his support. Okay, खुद से वो उठा थोड़ा सा, and that's what she is saying, that he rised up by himself. वो खुद से उतना उठा अभी because he is not feeling well. But वो उठा ये great good news सुन के. Then she turned her eyes towards the idol. दीवार पे कुछ आइडल्स रहेंगे, भगवान की मूर्ति वगैरह रहेगी, तो शी टर्न टुवर्ड दैट साइड वेयर द आइडल्स वर देयर ऑफ द गॉड और गॉडेस, एंड शी started praying, and the prayer was she uttered endlessly. Her son is not feeling well. She might be praying throughout the day endlessly. अभी तो उनको आदत हो गई है वो प्रेयर की कि मेरा बेटा जल्दी ठीक हो जाए, जल्दी ठीक हो जाए. तो she is uttering that prayer endlessly, and the prayer automatically came to her lips. Unbidden means जिसको परमिशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, विदाउट परमिशन the prayer came to her lips by looking at those idols. Okay, I must hear him and see him, the boy repeated. Again that boy in that sleeping condition, in that resting condition, he said that I must hear him and see him. मुझे उनको देखना है और उनको सुनना भी है, इन दोनों को. ओके, इट्स द चांस ऑफ लाइफ टाइम, मतलब ये चांस जो है इनको देखने का और सुनने का, ये लाइफ में एक ही बार आएगा. बिकॉज ही इज नॉट फीलिंग वेल, सो ही इज लाइक दैट कि अभी पता नहीं मैं जिंदा रहूंगा या नहीं रहूंगा. So this chance I can't miss it. So he is saying that is the chance of lifetime. Then he began to cough and gasp for breath and had to be given oxygen from the cylinder that stood under the bed. But his large eyes were fixed on his sister. After saying that sentence that it's the chance of life, he began to cough. Okay, he began to cough and gasp for breathing. Gasp means गहरी सांस लेना जोर जोर से. अगर किसी को ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिलता तो हाउ दे ब्रीथ इन, ऐसे ऐसे करके. सो ही वॉज इन दैट कंडीशन. सो आफ्टर दैट ही वॉज गिवन ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर से ऑक्सीजन दिया गया, एंड दैट ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर वॉज अंडर द बेड. बट हिज आईज वॉज कंटिन्यूसली ऑन his sister. Why? Because his sister said the news, this great news, and he knew that his sister could make the thing happen that she can take him to that concert. So he was hoping towards his sister that she might do something to take him to the concert. So with the hope, he was looking at his sister. Smita bit her lip in self-reproach. Now, she had been so excited at seeing the announcement that she had not remembered that her brother was very ill. Now Smita, after saying the good news, then what happened? That boy, he got excited. He wanted to go to that concert, but he cannot go because he is not well. So what Smita did? She bite her lips. मतलब अगर कुछ you say something surprisingly, but then you feel guilty of saying that. So what condition you might be in? कुछ ऐसा लगेगा ना अंदर से कि नहीं बोलना चाहिए था, रिग्रेट होगा. तो इन दैट रिग्रेटनेस शी बाइट हर लिप एंड शी इज ब्लेमिंग हर सेल्फ कि she might have not announced that great news so loudly that her brother heard, and he got excited to visit that place. Though even he can't visit because he is not in the condition to wake up, to walk and to go. Okay, so she is saying, blaming herself that she might not have announced that news so loudly that his brother get excited, her brother get excited, and then if he can't go to that concert, that he might feel sad. So she was having regretness among herself. She was blaming herself. Okay, and because of that news, she forgot that her brother is on bed. He can't go to the concert. She had seen how the doctors had shaken their heads gravely and spoken words that never she nor even her parents could understand. Then she has seen the doctors who has shaken head. जब कुछ पेशेंट सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकता तो डॉक्टर्स कैसे करते हैं? That this person cannot survive for long days. When doctor lose hope bravely, मतलब when the doctor lose hope and they give a commitment that this person cannot live for many days. So doctors has also lost the hope for her brother, and they said that the boy cannot survive for many days. So she remembers that, and she recollects in her mind that doctor has already said that her brother cannot live for many days. Okay, and spoken words that and that words which doctor said like that the boy cannot survive, and that words are still not accepted by her and her parents. उसको और उसके parents को ऐसा लग रहा है कि अभी भी जो लड़का है वो जिंदा रह सकता है, he can survive. So they are not still accepted those words of doctors. But somewhere deep inside, Smita had known the frightening truth that Anand was going to die. The word cancer had hung in the air. Her brother was dying of cancer, even though she pretended that all would be well and they would return together, a small family of four, to their home in Gaganpur. Now here the background is given over here is that though the parents knew that the boy could not survive, they did not accept those words of doctor. But somewhere deep inside in Smita, there was a frightening truth. Now, feel the word frightening truth मतलब वो कड़वी सच्चाई उसको पता थी कि वो उसका भाई ज़्यादा जिंदा नहीं रहेगा. Because Anand, now the name of the boy is revealed here that Anand is not going to survive. He is going to die because a deadly disease called cancer has affected him. Okay, and he is going to die, and that's why this family, Smita, the name of the girl, and Anand and the parents, mother and father, these four from Gaganpur is a village somewhere in India. From that place, this family has come to Bombay to do the treatment of Anand. Okay, so but they all pretended means acting, doing acting. Okay, so they all pretended, this Smita and the parents, they all pretended to be happy around Anand. For example, अगर डॉक्टर ने डॉक्टर has said you that this person is not going to stay for long days or not going to survive for long days, he might die. तो अभी तुम जाके उस इंसान को तो नहीं बोलोगे कि भाई तू मरने वाला है. You will not say like that. You will cheer him up. You will say positive things to him. You will give him hope of surviving. So same way this family pretended, they do the acting of being happy around that boy, giving him hope that he will survive. Okay, so this is all given over here, and they said to Anand that once he will get cured, once his treatment will get over, once he will be fine, they will return back to their native place, that is Gaganpur. Okay, and he was only 15 and the best table tennis player in the school and the fastest runner. Now description about Anand is given over here that he is just 15 years of age, might be of your age, 15 years of age, and he is a best table tennis player. Now this qualities of Anand is being given over here is that he is the best table tennis player in the school and he is the fastest runner in the school. Okay, and he was learning to play the sitar. They were both taking sitar lessons, but Anand was better than her as in many other things. Now he was learning sitar. Sitar means this. Okay. Now he was learning to play this sitar, and Anand and her sister Smita, they both were taking this sitar classes. And Anand was much better than her sister. Was much better than his sister Smita. And he was much better in also other things like academics or something. Okay. Then next, he was already able to compose his own tunes to astonishment of their guru. Now he was learning this sitar and he was able to compose his own tune. मतलब वो खुद से अपनी एक tune बनाता with the help of their guru, and the guru जो भी उनके जो sir थे, mentor थे, सिखाने वाले सितार सिखाने वाले, they were very happy, they were very surprised to know that just a 15 years of boy can compose his own tune. You know, जो म्यूजिक बनाते हैं इनको सालों लगते हैं खुद की म्यूजिक बनाने के लिए, खुद का जो सॉन्ग कंपोज करने के लिए. But being a 15 year of age, this boy can do many things and he can compose the tune of his own. So the sirs or the guru who was teaching to him, they were astonished, means they were very surprised and happy to see that the 15 years age boy can make his own tune. Okay. Then cancer has struck and they had come to Bombay so that he could be treated at the cancer hospital in the city. Then unfortunately cancer struck, Anand was affected with cancer, and this family sister, brother, mother and father, they four from the Gaganpur, their native place, they came to Bombay to cure him. सिटी में इतना कुछ ज़्यादा इलाज नहीं रहता ये बड़ी बड़ी बीमारियों का, सो दे विद द होप दैट बड़े शहर में शायद बच्चा ठीक हो जाए, इसीलिए वो पूरी फैमिली बॉम्बे आती है, बॉम्बे के एक अच्छे हॉस्पिटल में आनंद को क्योर करने के लिए, आनंद का ट्रीटमेंट करने के लिए. ओके, whenever they came to Bombay, they stayed with Aunt Sushila. Her apartment was not big, but there was always room for them. So whenever they came to Bombay for the treatment of Anand, this family, they stayed at Aunt Sushila. Okay, now Aunt Sushila is aunt of Anand and Smita. So whenever they used to come, they used to stay at Aunt Sushila's home. Her home was not so big, but there was also a room for them so that they can stay with her in her apartment. Okay, they had come with the high hopes in the miracle of modern science. They told themselves that Anand would be cured at hospital and he would again walk and run and even take part in forthcoming table tennis tournament. Now they all came with the hope from Gaganpur to Bombay. They came with the hope, with the positive hope that Anand would सर्वाइव, वो अच्छा हो जाएगा, उसका ट्रीटमेंट हो जाएगा और फिर से वो चलने लगेगा, वो भागने लगेगा, फिर से वो टेबल टेनिस के टूर्नामेंट मीन्स मैच, टेबल टेनिस के मैच में फिर से वो पार्टिसिपेट करेगा. विद दिस होप दे केम टू बॉम्बे. नाउ मिरेकल ऑफ मॉडर्न साइंस, नाउ साइंस हैज बिकम सो एडवांस, सो दे आर होपिंग विद दिस साइंस दैट शायद कुछ मिरेकल मतलब चमत्कार, जादू, शायद कुछ जादू हो जाए साइंस की वजह से जो उनके बेटे को ठीक कर सके और उनका बेटा ठीक हो जाए, फिर से चलने लगे, फिर से भागने लगे, फिर से टूर्नामेंट में पार्टिसिपेट कर सके. विद दिस होप दे केम टू बॉम्बे and he would play the sitar, perhaps be a great sitarist one day, and they also hoped like that कि one day he will resume playing this sitar, फिर से वो सितार बजाने लगेगा. maybe perhaps मतलब maybe one day he could become a great sitarist like पंडित रविशंकर. वैसे उनकी फैमिली को ऐसा होप था कि एक दिन ये भी सितार बजाने लगेगा और फिर ये भी एक दिन बड़ा सितारिस्ट बन जाएगा. ओके, but his condition grew worse with each passing day, and the doctors at the cancer hospital said, take him home, give him the things he liked, indulge him, and they knew then that the boy had not many days to live. But when the treatment was going on, the condition of Anand became worse and worse as the day passed on. जैसे जैसे दिन जाता रहा वैसे आनंद की कंडीशन और ख़राब होती गई, उसकी तबीयत और ख़राब होती गई. एंड डॉक्टर लॉस्ट ऑल दी होप्स एंड डॉक्टर सेड दैट टेक हिम होम, अब इसको घर लेके जाओ, इसका भी ट्रीटमेंट नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज आनंद वॉज एट लास्ट स्टेज ऑफ कैंसर, दैट वॉज ऑन द डोर. एंड द डॉक्टर सेड दैट टेक हिम होम, उसको वो सारी चीज़ें दो जो उसको पसंद है, जिससे वो खुश हो सकता है. और इंडल्ज मतलब बिजी हिम विद दोज एक्टिविटी विच मेक्स हिम हैप्पी. उसके पास ज़्यादा दिन नहीं है तो उसको वो सारी चीज़ें दो जिससे वो खुश हो सकता है. उसके पास जितने भी दिन बचे हैं, मेक हिम हैप्पी with those things which he can be happily stay, happily take rest. वो सारी चीज़ें दो जिससे वो खुश हो सकता है उतने दिनों में. ओके, then next, but they did not voice their fears. मतलब now here is the phrase, they did not voice their fears. जो फैमिली के अंदर वो डर था कि आनंद अभी जिंदा नहीं रहेगा, they did not voice, वो जो है वो डर को उन्होंने बाहर आने नहीं दिया आनंद के सामने कि तू मरने वाला है ऐसा वैसा. They kept that fear inside them and they pretended, they acted like Anand will be getting cured very soon, he will be going home very soon, he will be walking, he will be running, he will be joining the class very soon. So this way they pretended in front of Anand. Okay, they kept their fear, उनका जो भी डर था कि आनंद मर जाएगा वो उन्होंने अपने अंदर ही दबा के रखा, उसको आनंद के सामने उन्होंने कभी नहीं लाया. ठीक है, they laughed and smiled and talked and surrounded Anand with whatever made him happy. उन लोग आनंद के सामने हंसते थे, मजाक करते थे, आनंद को खुश करने की कोशिश करते थे जिससे भी वो खुश हो सकता है. ठीक है, then they fulfilled his every need and gave him whatever he asked for. They fulfilled every नीड ऑफ आनंद। ना आनंद वॉज नॉट गोइंग टू सर्वाइव, तो उसकी जो भी विश थी उन्होंने सब पूरी की आनंद की। दे गेव हिम एवरीथिंग वॉट एवर ही विश टू गेट इट, जिससे उसको खुशी मिलती थी, जो उसको पसंद था वो सब उसके सामने वो लाके रखते थे, उसके पेरेंट्स, उसकी सिस्टर। ओके, and now he was asking to go to concert. The chance of lifetime he was saying. Now the last wish he was having that he wanted to go to concert. सब उसके सामने खाने पीने की चीज जो उसको अच्छी लगती थी वो लाके दिया, बट ये जो विश थी उसकी, that he wanted to visit that concert to see this maestro playing, but he cannot go because he is not in the condition even to breathe. उसको सांस लेने भी नहीं होता है, ऑक्सीजन के सपोर्ट से वो सांस लेता है। सो इमेजिन हाउ ही कुड गो टू दैट कॉन्सर्ट। सो दिस वाज हिज लास्ट विश एंड ही कंटिन्यूअसली सेइंग दैट कि द चांस ऑफ लाइफ टाइम, मतलब ये जिंदगी में एक ही बार चांस आएगा, एंड ही वाज कंटिन्यूअसली सेइंग दिस। व्हेन यू आर बेटर, हिज मदर सेड, दिस इज नॉट द लास्ट टाइम दे आर गोइंग टू प्ले। नाउ हिज मदर इज कंसोलिंग हिम, उसकी मदर अभी उसको होप दे रही है कि जब तुम ठीक हो जाओगे, when you are better, that time you can go, because these people are not going to perform for the last time, ये और भी आगे भी परफॉर्म करेंगे, तब चले जाना। Like this way his mother is giving him hope. Then Smita stood at window looking at the traffic, her eyes wet with tears. Her mother whispered, but you Smita, you must go, your father will take you. Now the name of sister is revealed here, the sister name is Smita Sood. Now she is very sad and she is feeling guilty that why she has announced the great news so loudly that her brother got excited and he can't go to that concert. So she is having that regret in herself, and she was standing near the window in a sad mood, and she was looking at the traffic, but her eyes were full in tears. Okay, her eyes were wet in tears, मतलब उसकी आंखों में आंसू थे, एंड शी वॉज फीलिंग सैड कि उसकी भाई की कंडीशन देख के उसको बुरा लग रहा था कि उसका भाई उस कॉन्सर्ट में जा नहीं सकता, एंड शी वॉज ब्लेमिंग herself that why she announced that happy news so loudly that her brother got excited even though he cannot go to the concert. But mother came and she whispered. Whispered means saying very softly and in very low voice. Okay, so her mother whispered, बट यू स्मिता यू मस्ट गो, मतलब उसकी मम्मी ने उनको बोला स्मिता को कि यू मस्ट गो, आनंद नहीं आ सकता, उसकी ऐसी कंडीशन नहीं है, तो क्या हुआ, यू मस्ट गो, योर फादर विल टेक यू टू दैट कॉन्सर्ट। When she was alone with Aunt Sushila, Smita cried out in a choked voice, now, no, how can I? We have always done things together, Anand and I. Now she was crying silently, her eyes were in tears near the window. But when she was alone with Aunt Sushila, she cried out. Cried out मतलब वो फिर रोने लग गई जोर से। Aunt Sushila के साथ जब वो थी, in a choked voice, जब रोते हैं तो आवाज़ थोड़ी सी restricted हो जाती है, so that is called choked voice. In that choked voice, she said, no, how can I go? How can I go without my brother? Because we have done all things together. हमने क्लासेस भी साथ में लिए, हमने जो कॉन्सर्ट वाला जो हमारा ड्रीम था ये भी हमारा साथ में देखा था हमने कि हम दोनों साथ में जाएंगे। अब मैं अपने भाई को अकेला बेड पे छोड़ के हाउ कैन आई एंजॉय दैट कॉन्सर्ट? माई ब्रदर इज इन दैट बैड कंडीशन एंड आई वोंट बी एबल टू enjoy that concert because my brother is not happy because he is not able to go to that concert. He cannot attain that concert. He might be sad over here and I will be over there in the concert. I won't be happy imagining that my brother is not happy because he cannot go, because they both have dreamed, they both have this wish that they would go to the concert together because they have done all things together. बचपन से इन्होंने अपने साथ में, ये दोनों भाई बहनों ने हर एक चीज़ साथ में किया है, खेलना, बड़ा होना, स्टार क्लास जाना, सब साथ में किया है। अभी ये उसको अकेला छोड़ के ऐसे कैसे जा सकती है? सो शी इज सेइंग इन दिस वे। ओके, देन a walk in the park might make you feel better, said Aunt Sushila, and Smita was grateful for her suggestion. Then what Aunt Sushila said to her, स्मिता को आंटी ने क्या बोला कि a walk in a park could make you feel better. When you are sad or when you are in tension, तो एक जो वॉक रहता है, हर एक का अलग अलग थेरेपी रहता है दिमाग कूल करने का। किसी को वॉक करने से अच्छा लगता है, किसी को म्यूजिक सुनने से अच्छा लगता है, किसी को जब वो सो जाएंगे तो उसके बाद उन लोग का दिमाग थोड़ा ठंडा होता है। तो आंटी सुशीला suggested Smita that a walk in a park, in a nature, in a greenery would make you feel better. Okay, so Smita was grateful to aunt. Grateful to aunt means she said thank you to aunt for giving the good suggestion, and she agreed to go to the park. Okay, then what happened in the park? The description of the atmosphere of the park is given in the next paragraph. In the park, people were walking, playing ball, doing yogic exercises, feeding the ducks and eating roasted grams and peanut. Smita felt alone in their midst, which she was lost in her thought. Now, when she moved to the garden, to the park, she saw that in the park people were walking. There, people were playing. They were doing yoga. They were doing exercises. Some were eating peanuts, chane वगैरह खा रहे थे. Then some were playing, doing exercise. तो what happened? अभी चक्रेश्वर में कभी जाके देखा रहेगा पार्क में तो क्या होता है, कोई योगा करता रहता है, कोई जो है डक को फीड करता रहता है, कोई जो है तालाब में जो मछली है उसको फीड करता रहता है, कोई योगा करता रहता है, कोई वॉक पे रहता है, कोई बैठा हुआ रहता है. सो शी इज डिस्क्राइबिंग द atmosphere of the environment in the park over here. Okay, but among those crowd in the park, she was lost in her own thought. She was alone in that crowd. In midst matlab in middle. In middle of that crowd, she was alone, still alone, because she was in her own thought, and that thought was how to make her brother happy, how to fulfill the last wish of her brother. Okay, so she was lost in her own sad thoughts. Suddenly a daring thought came to her, and as she hurried home, she said to herself, why not? There's no harm in trying it. Then she was lost in her own thought. Then suddenly a daring thought came to her mind. Daring मतलब कुछ risky thought आया रहेगा उसके दिमाग में, and she hurried to home. और वो फिर वो जल्दी जल्दी घर चली गई और वो खुद से बातें करने लग गई कि why not? क्यों अभी नहीं? इसमें कोई बुराई नहीं है. अब वो थॉट क्या था जिसके बारे में वो ऐसा सोच रही थी? दिस विल कंटिन्यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. Till that time, take care. Thank you so much. Bye.